So, I think I should introduce my new motorbike. Hopefully that worked. If it doesn't, I'll put it up anyway. Yeah, Honda Hornet CB 600 F3. Most of you have been asking if I bought this bike or not, and the answer is obviously yes. It was that toit like a toiger. And she's been running great so far. The only one problem, I would say, is when I was coming home from work the other day, it just randomly cut out for no apparent reason. It just stopped. The immobilizer light came up, but it does that every time the engine cuts out anyway, I think. I'm going to double check that. So besides that, she's been running absolutely sweet. No problems. I'm actually used to it. I can't even remember the first things I picked out that were different. So there you go. Official. I'm back out on the road. This guy's drunk. You can hear him shouting from here. So, I'm heading down to surprise Mr. Svengalie, because he busted his leg. I'm sure everyone knows already anyway. But I thought it'd be nice. I've been in hospital with rugby accidents, and it's mind-destroyingly dull and boring. So I thought I'd just go down, meet up with Dan, and just go down and say hello. Why not? Fix the tracking on this bike. Sucks. So that's where I'm going. And I don't know if I'll get any footage of him in hospital. I seriously doubt it. But because I'm not like that. Not that he wouldn't let me. He'd probably welcome it. Woo! So yeah.
There is no charge for awesomeness.